2 book, 3 paper, and 4 ink. Yes, 5
pencil,
5 pencil. 6
ruler,
scale. Okay, ruler. 6 ruler. Thank you, Vipanchika.
my pleasure,
It's a
sir.
pleasure. My pleasure too. Can I have anybody else who would like to volunteer? Anybody who has come today? Oh,
Sir, can I tell an object?
four.
Ink,
Ink. 4 ink.
yes.
Yeah. Those who might have come a little late, I want to tell you, 1, please write down these objects. 1 pen, 2 book, 3 paper, and 4 ink. Yes, 5
Pencil,
5 pencil. 6
ruler,
scale. Okay, ruler. 6 ruler. Thank you, Vipanchika.
my pleasure,
It's a
sir.
pleasure. My pleasure too. Can I have anybody else who would like to volunteer? Anybody who has come today? Oh,
Sir, can I tell an object?
who's this?
Diti.
Preeti.
Diti. Diti.
Diti. Okay.
D-I-T-I.
Okay. Yes, Diti. Yeah, give me an object.
Table.
Table. Table. Are you saying table?
Yeah.
Yeah. 7 table.
Ma, shall I?
Wait. Please do not disturb until I ask you. I'll give. Yes, Diti, you give me one more object.
Fan.
Okay. 8 fan. Okay, Mitra, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Sir, pad.
9. Huh?
Pad.
Pardon?
Writing pad. Exam pad.
Pad. P-A-D. Pad. Yeah, give me one more.
Desk.
Pardon?
Desk.
Desk. 10 desk. Now, just give me a moment. Okay, now let's see. I will ask any other volunteer who can give me some.
Can I say?
Darshana. Yes, Darshana. Slowly, okay? When I ask you, you must say, because my students are also listening to this. Darshana, 11.
Spectacles,
Specs. Okay. Specs. Just wait. Okay? Yeah, 12.
trash bin,
Pardon? Trash bin.
yes, sir.
Trash bin. Yeah. 13.
Power bank.
Power bank. Thirteen is power bank.
Cup.
14.
Coffee cup.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Coffee cup.
Coffee cup. Okay, 14 is coffee cup. 14 is coffee cup. Okay, now I want somebody else to volunteer. Who's this?
Can we volunteer?
Pranit. Yes, yeah. Pranit. Yes, Pranit. 15.
Key.
Key. Yeah. Let him alone speak. 15 is key.
Sir, can you repeat from 11 onwards?
Who's this? 11 is specs. 12 is trash bin. 13 is power bank. 14 is coffee cup. 15 is key. 15 is key. Okay, I would like somebody to come forward and give the next 5 slowly, one by one.
Starlin.
No.
Sir, Niveda.
Niveda. Yes, Niveda. Previous students, not your show. Niveda. Yes, I want you to give me slowly one by one. Right. Okay. Yeah, 16.
Laptop.
Laptop. 16.
A laptop.
Okay. Divya, I'll give you a chance next. Okay. 16 is laptop.
Thank you.
Wait. When I tell you, you give me. Okay. Because my students are also concentrating.
Sir, can
Sir.
you tell the ninth one?
Which one?
Ninth one.
Ninth one is pad, exam pad. Pad, PAD, pad.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, 17.
A guitar.
Guitar. 17 is guitar.
Sir, what is
18.
17?
17 is guitar. Guitar. Okay. Yes, Niveda. 18.
Thank you, sir.
Window. Window.
Pardon? Window. 18 is window.
Sir, can I?
Who's this?
Sir, can I? Pranit.
No, wait. I'll call you. Okay. Please do not interrupt me. I will, when I ask you, you come. Okay. Yes, Niveda, 19.
Material.
Huh?
Material.
Material. Okay, 19 is material. $20.
Science.
Huh?
Science.
I can't hear you.
Science, sir. Science.
Spelling?
Yes. CIENCE.
I told you objects, no? Give me objects names.
Oil.
Sir,
Oil, sir.
Oil. Okay, oil. 20, oil. Thank you, Niveda. Now just give me a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. Total silence, please. Divya, be ready. Next is your chance. Until then, I want you to allow my students to also go through this.
Sir, what is 20?
Who's this? Oil. 20 is oil. Don't disturb me, son. Okay? 20 is oil. Yes,
Excuse me,
Divya.
sir.
Divya.
Excuse me, sir. Please say 19th one, sir.
Who's this? 19th is material. Okay? Material.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Divya. Divya, 21.
Headphones.
Headphones. Okay. 21 is headphones. "22,
Tissue.
tissue. 22 is tissue. "23,
Plants.
I can't hear you.
Plants.
Plants. 23 is plants. Okay. Next, I will request Manimegalai. Can you give me 24? Manimegalai, can you give me 24? Is there a problem with the audio?
Yeah, looks like she has.
She has a problem with the audio. Okay. Mitra, I think Mitra didn't have a problem. Yes, Mitra. Yeah, Mitra, 24.
Microphone.
Microphone.
Sir, can I say 25th?
Who's this? Lakshmi Sri, 25.
Sir. Cupboard.
Cupboard. 25, cupboard. Okay, now I have one volunteer. Shravya, you give me the last 6 slowly when I tell you. Okay, when I tell you, you give me, right? Wait. "26,
Mirror.
mirror. 26, mirror. "27,
A phone.
pardon?
Phone. Phone.
What?
Mobile.
I think we've already had headphones. Okay, mobile. 27, mobile phone.
Sir, 26.
26 is mirror. Mirror. Okay.
The one is 24 and 25.
Who's this?
Carolyn.
Please do not disturb me. Okay. When the number is being called, you write down 24 is microphone, 25 is cupboard. Right? Don't disturb my concentration, Arlene. Okay. Yes, Shravya, 28.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Yeah.
Uh, 29. 29.
Shirt.
Shirt. Shirt. Okay. 29. Shirt.
Ring. Ring.
Last 130.
Coin.
Huh?
Coin. Coin.
Coin. Okay. Coin. Now, thank you very much, all those people who have given me these objects. First of all, I would like to give you an instruction that you have been listening from day one in LKG, day one. Every teacher told you this, study. I'm also going to tell you study. The only difference is I'm also going to study. When I say start, you're going to study. When I say stop, I want you to stop because by the time I'm ready. Okay? Start. Stop. Okay? Stop. Now, you're going to get the first shock. What you think is learning and what reality learning is. Just give me one minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now, I'm going to make it very fast. I don't want to lose time. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what real. I have written. My paper is here. I'm looking here. I'm closing my eyes. I'm telling you. Just follow this. 1 pen, 30 coin, 2 book, 29 shirt, 3 paper, 28 eraser, 4 ink, 27 mobile phone, 5 pencil, 26 mirror, 6 just a minute, 6, could you put it on mute, Sri, please? Sound is disturbing me. 6 ruler, 25 cupboard, 7 table, 24 microphone, 8 fan, 23 plant, 9 exam pad, 22 tissue, 10 desk, 21 headphone, 11 specs, 20 oil, 12 trash bin, 19 material, 13 power bank, 18 window, 14 coffee mug, coffee cup, 17 guitar, 15 key, and 16 laptop. Can you please give me a little clap, please? A little celebration. Just unmute yourself. I can hear it. Don't worry. Thank you very much. Now, if you think this is great, just watch. Who's ready? Charumati, put her on quickly. Video. Charumati, Pavitra, both are ready. Zach is ready. Sindhuja is ready. Very good. Okay. Charumati. Yes, Charumati. Are you ready?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
ready? Yeah, right. Now you tell me. Same 130, 229, 328, 427. These 8 digits. Close your eyes. Yeah.
One pen, 13 coin. 2 books, 29 shirt. 3 paper, 28 eraser. 4 ink, 27 mobile.
Okay,
5 pencil,
wait.
26
16.
mirror.
16. Tell me what is 16.
16 laptop.
21.
21 is headphone.
Very good. 11.
11 spectacles.
Very good. Charu, I first congratulate you. You're the first one to come so fast. I think you were ready even before me. Every teacher would love to see a student better than you. You learned this only 2 days back, if I am right. Now, you please talk about this program quickly, briefly, as quickly as possible to this crowd here. They are sitting here, they're waiting to hear you. Introduce yourself and
Yeah,
speak.
I am Charumati. I am studying 10th standard in SSBM World School. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Yes, you're a very great teacher. You brought out all my talents. It is a magic for me. I didn't expect that I can do this. Thank you, sir.
What else can you do? So far, what have you learned?
I can remember 30 words, 200 words, like that. Odd numbers, even numbers.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Charu.
Abstracts, names.
Yeah, you still got 4 more days.
Thank you.
Our training is not over. Thank you very much. Now let me have Pavitra. I'm quickly going to ask you only for memory. Yes, Pavitra, put her on. Highlight her. Pavitra, tell me what is 3? Object number 3.
Yes, sir. 3 is pepper.
Okay, 23.
23 is plant.
Very good. 15.
15 is key.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All 30 you know, I know that. Sindhuja, please put on Sindhuja for me. Put on Sindhuja for me. Yes, Sindhuja. Tell me all odd numbers. Odd numbers. 1, 3, 5.
1 pen, 3 book, 5 pencil, 7 table, 9 pad, 11 spectacles, 13 power bank, 15 key, 17 guitar, 19 material, 21 headphone, 23 plants, 25 cupboard, 27 phone, 29 shirt.
Thank you very much. Now, Sindhuja, just speak briefly, short about this program.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sindhuja, a grade 10 student. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I have been attending this training session for past 1 week. It was a magic for me. Now I'm able to memorize, remember 200 words, names, numbers,